Happy Tootsie Roll Thursday. How was your wacky Wednesday? Mine was pretty wacky. Okay, we are going to continue with our enemy pie. So this is going to be really easy. All you have to do is cut each one of these out. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut out those strips, okay? And then take another sheet of paper. So any piece of paper will work. And what you're going to do is put them in the proper order of the story, okay? Because it says here, after dessert, Jeremy rode his bike home, but not before inviting me over to play on his trampoline in the morning. Now, did that happen first thing? No. Which one happened first? It was all good until Jeremy Ross moved into the neighborhood, right next door to my best friend Stanley. Well, that happened pretty early on, huh? I still wonder if enemies really do hate it or if their hair falls out of their breath turns bad. But I don't know if I ever get an answer because I truly lost my enemy. Okay, so what else you can do if you don't want to cut them out, you can put the numbers on the side, okay? I had a checkerboard game and some cards in the treehouse, and we played games until my dad called us for dinner. That didn't happen first. It was strange, but I kind of was having fun with my enemy. He almost seemed nice. In order for it to work, you need to spend a day with your enemy. Okay, so we know that the first thing was that it was going to be good until Jeremy Ross moved in next door. So we're going to put a 1 right there, okay? So now you need to think what comes next, okay? So we know that he, in order for the enemy pie to work, he had to spend the whole day with his enemy, right? So let's make that number 2. Okay. Now, it was strange, but I was kind of having fun with his enemy. I think that's what would be next, because he had to spend the day with him, right? And then he started having fun, okay? So we did the first 3 together, so you guys figure out the next number 4, 5, and 6. You figure out which of those. Now remember, you can do the numbers like I did here, or you can cut them out and paste them in, whichever way is easiest for you, okay? Now we made our enemy pie. Now we're going to make our friendship pie. So now you think about what you would do. What kind of ingredients would you use for your friendship pie? Okay. Now, I just so happen to love, well, I know Diego's going to put mangoes in his. That mango pie is pretty good. But I really like peaches. So we're going to have peaches. I'm going to have some brown sugar. And you know what's really good is some raspberries in there. And then, of course, you have your pie crust. Okay. And you're going to need about 6 peaches, and you're going to need to cut them up. Let's say 1 cup of brown sugar. Let's say 2 cups of raspberries, and then you have your pie crust, right? Okay. And then you're going to say how to make it, okay? So I'm going to say mix the fruit up. Add your sugar. And put into your pie crust. You're going to bake it at 375 for 35 minutes. Now, since it's a friendship pie, I'm going to make sure that we serve it with what? Yes, serve it with ice cream. Okay, so there's my friendship pie. So I want to see what your friendship pie looks like. Okay, Happy Tootsie Rolling.